A few, ano? So we had one before na actually ayaw nga nung unang mag-adapt kasi pinagkaroon siya ng experience na nag-pass away yung kanilang old dog. So it was very hard for them to even want to get a dog. But they felt that they can give them something. So in-adopt, and then until now, ako pa rin yung aso na very, very well na. Isa naman, yung isang mag-a-adapt, yung isang anak ng mag-a-adapt, meron siyang na-love niya yung isang retired canine who was an rescue. And he wasn't, parang talagang sobrang siya na-attach. He wasn't willing to parang look at alternate dogs, mga ganyan. We didn't want to take a look at other options. Kasi nagkaroon kami ng initially some issues but he didn't want to look at other dogs. So ganun parang kaaga nagkaroon siya. Pagpilitin, right? And hindi to fault ng tao eh. Sometimes, iba ba din magalit, di ba? Some of our dogs, they love affection, they love yakap-yakap. Some don't, di ba? Ganun lang yan eh, parang tao. So don't take it personally. It's really, ganun na ugali ng dog. And if you think that suits you, then, fine. Di ba? Kung hindi ka naman yung tipong, gusto ko parating yayakap yung aso. There are people who don't interest in want that. Hindi you can find a dog that can. It's, during the service history is interesting and it helps the canine get adopted easily. Kasi meron siya story. Is it important? Only for the adopter to know na meron siya experience sa combat, meron siya experience sa like maybe dog detection, or ganun. But not in so much detail. It's more useful for us because it helps us make the dog more adaptable. Pag mismo.
So